Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a Grammarly extension on Google Chrome. So if you love to write something, write anything, write article on Google Chrome, so it's very nice to get this extension. This is the Grammarly AI Writing and Grammar Checker app. So not only from the official website, this Grammarly also have an extension. So just simply add to Chrome, you can get Grammarly for free. So this is for the details. You got an overview here. You can read the details and how it works, what's included. This is the free one. You got Grammar Checker, of course, spelling checker, punctuation, tone detector, auto citation, and generative AI. And this is if you paid. If you subscription, you got this premium version. You can get tone adjustment, vocabulary improvements, and so on. So just simply click add to Chrome and add extension. You can wait the process. It's all about up to 40 megabyte. So you can do more with great writing and works where you write. For example, if you use Microsoft Word, Google Docs for mainly, you can activate this Grammarly. So here, just one click, now Grammarly is active. But key feature missing, this is like if you activate this, maybe there is some point that you need to pay, but don't worry, you can enjoy this Grammarly extension for free. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.